base end is here, and that is the end.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, and then you put you put it inside a little bit more, not too much. Okay, because that will be the tail. Okay, and then you go around. You go around.
This?
Make a big loop. Okay, and then you thread.
Okay.
And then with that, you kind of like make the body, adjust it. So you adjust and make it, shape it.
Oh, there's a body.
So this is the body of the bird.
Okay.
Okay? Okay. So once you got it, make a little slit. Just a little, and make sure that you don't rip it, because if you rip it, then it's ruined.
Okay.
So just very enough for it to get in.
Okay.
Okay.
I need a group picture. Everybody here.
Okay. Okay. And then
Another one.
one more, the same thing.
Anywhere, huh? Either left
No,
or
not
right.
anywhere. It has to be, to make it together.
Make it right.
Okay, let's have a picture first. The
Okay.
longer tail. And you fold it like a half triangle of a square.
Okay.
Half of the square in a triangle. And then the other way too, the other side too. Okay? And then that's the neck. Then another part of the neck, inside.
Inside.
Inside. And then the other way also inside. Okay? And then for the head, you go downward, but it's still inside folding.
Okay.
Okay, and then now you make a web to cover. Okay, so you're covering it. It's a web, so knowing that it's already in there, so the next one has to be under. Okay, see how it looks? So
Yeah,
that
yeah,
one
yeah.
is so you can put
head.
over. Okay,
The head.
and then the same thing here. You got to put it underneath, because that one is already cut in there. So you go and you put it on that slit. Oh. And then another one. Okay,
Oh,
and
that's
then you
there.
make an arc.
Oh,
So
okay.
whatever you want with the tail, you can make it different, whatever your heart desires. You can decorate it accordingly, or whatever cut or.
Oh boy. That's how it works. You got it.
And then the same thing here. You can decorate it accordingly if you whatever you want,
and how's the line?
or you can make like a little
that's okay,
yeah,
that's okay,
or
that's okay.
something different,
And then you hang it.
and you hang it.
Where's
I
the
usually
line?
hang it in the
Just-
in my
just-
in my car, in
just-
the dashboard.
Yeah, just
In
just,
the rear view mirror.
just get it in.
Just remind you, it's like a sacramental. Remind you, hey.